Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can 1 versus 1 in COD Mobile. So if you would like to compete versus your friends or versus some random person, whatever, just if you would like to create a private lobby and play 1 versus 1 with some other player here, make this lobby private and so on. First you'll need to obviously launch the game itself. Here tap at the multiplayer, then at this menu icon to your top right, select the private option here. Here is your private multiplayer lobby. Now you can as well invite all and fill all those lobby slots, or if you want to play one-on-one, just go in the invite section here. Then, select whether you would like to invite a person from all list, your friend list, then your clan, or your recent players, or just people you have any recent interactions with. Anyway, once you have found your potential opponent, just invite him to join your lobby here. Tap over here, then it will be the person will be invited into your lobby. They will enter, select the placement, their placement in the enemy team, and then tap at the start button here to start a private match. I am unable to start it since I'm the only person in the lobby, but if you'll have at least 2, you'll be fine. What else? Here you can obviously change the lobby preferences by selecting the game mode and that you will play, as well as the map once you have chosen the game mode here. A lot of game modes to choose from actually, as you can see. And then, as I've already mentioned, just tap at the start button here to start the match itself. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.